This is the section that we kept between the two different blade areas. See how extremely high the grass is? It's 4 or 5 inches thick and high, with the long seed tails of the grass at least a foot high. You can't get rid of, it doesn't get rid of grass, it only spreads it out thin so that it doesn't look horrible like this mown section here, where it clumps underneath the deck and falls. This blade here just scatters the grass. If you mowed at a normal height, you would never get clumping, and even during the rain, you wouldn't have to mow your grass twice.